Hey everybody. I ain't got much going on, so I figured I'd make another video of maybe trying to turn a bowl. I got this piece of wood. It's kind of knotted up. It was like a crotch. But I'm gonna see if I can make something out of it. Maybe a bowl. It's another piece of that spalted wood I found out back. Yeah, being stuck at home, ain't got a whole lot going on. I put a roof on a shed yesterday, but I don't really want to make a video out of that. It'd be too long. We're out there for like 9 hours. We had to tear the old roof off, put the new roof on. We get done until like 10 o'clock last night. But I know face shields are hard to come by. Apparently they're not, but on Amazon they're reserving them for medical personnel, and they say there's a shortage of them. But I called like 3 welding supply stores the other day, and all of them had them. Like, they even brought it to my job. So I got a brand new face shield. Still got the plastic on it. So I ain't gotta wear my welding hood turning anymore, which is cool. This got way better field of view. Pull this plastic off. It's like an unboxing of a face shield. Oh yeah. That thing's sweet. Be able to see everything. Crystal clear. Look at that. So that's a nice addition to the shop. I like the way the lens is shaped. This is a Gateway Safety is the brand of this one. Pretty nice face shield. I like the design. How it comes down. It's got like a built-in chin guard. It's got a nice headgear too, with a pivot in it. Yeah, that's nice. Better than what I was using. I like it better. So I'm gonna start taking some meat off of this and see what I can do. I'll spin it down so I can put my bowl chuckle in there. Make sure it's tight. I can't turn it up much. I checked it. I trimmed it with my chainsaw, but if I crank it up, it's got a heck of a wobble. That's about 300 right there. I don't know if you can see that little wobble. 400. 400's got a heck of a wobble to it. I ain't gonna go that fast. I'll start out slow, 250, 300, and then as I get down, I'll be able to go a little faster. I put it in the bowl chuck now, and it looks like it got some rock on it, but I'm just going to keep fooling with it to let's see what it looks like when it's all done, just because it's a real cool looking piece of wood. I was trying to leave some of this, but I think this gap's too big to try to hollow that out. So I'll probably take a little bit more off of here. Maybe get it down to like right here and like right there. See what it looks like. I want to show you that grain before I do anything. It's like right here when it comes back in, it catches every time. I think there's some soft spots. I don't care. It's just practice. I just want to see what it looks like when it's done. Ow! That is a drawback of trying to get into one of these things. I got my knuckle. And that hurt. I had my hand in that far. I had it over there too far. Ugh. That's a lathe fail. I think that's about it for the inside. It's probably as much as I can do. I'm almost to the bottom, so I'm going to work on the outside a little bit to where I'll use the parting tool to get it really close to being able to take it off. I might have messed it up with that hit. Oh man, that took a big nick out of it. I still don't really understand how to use this. God darn it, man. I don't know if I'm too high up. I think it's because of these things. I don't think I can use this. It's actually starting to jump out of the... it's actually starting to jump out. That's what the wobble's from, I think. It might have been from when I hit with that skew. And that threw it off balance. I might be able to do better now. I think I'm going to do some sanding now and tighten her up. Yeah, so there's the finished bowl. Turned out okay. A little rough. I don't really have the right tools for doing the inside. It's hard with that bowl gouge. I need to get one of them carbide tip for probably making like vases, I think they're for. It wouldn't have been bad if it was more shallow, then I could do it. But because I'm getting deeper, it's hard to get that tool in there and take the material out. But I think it turned out pretty cool for just like, this is a piece of scrap firewood that was laying out back. Still got some lint on it from that brush I used sticking to the oil. I used a different kind of rag last time. This time I used one of these stupid blue rags and it left lint all over it. So yeah, you can see it everywhere. But yeah, turned out pretty cool. Like I said, I don't really got much going on, so I figured I'd turn a bowl. Can't really build much, so. But that piece of wood is awesome with that black in it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.